So as per sources, the new Himalayan is all set to be launched tomorrow, that is 24th of November at the Royal Enfield Motorverse in Goa. While there is no official confirmation from the brand yet, the motorcycle has been fully revealed. It has been reviewed by media people, media persons, and it's only the pricing factor is left. Apart from that, Royal Enfield is yet to announce what kind of accessories they will offer, but they have revealed some teasers and some kind of images on social media handles. And through the pictures, I've able to compile a list of the accessories that are expected to be offered. So I've divided them into three different categories. First is storage. So for storage, Royal Enfield will continue to offer panniers with the motorcycle, and of course they will be mounted on pannier rack, so you'd have to purchase it separately. Then there will be a top box. The panniers and the top box will both be made of aluminium. There will be a tank bag. It will be a specially curated tank bag which will only be mounted on the new Himalayan, considering it has a large 17-liter tank. So it is made just to fit like a glove on the new Himalayan. Then there is a rear rack that will be probably flatter and able to hold more than what the standard rack can hold, the rear rack. There will be a hard case. There will be two hard cases basically that will be mounted to the sides of the motorcycle where you can store further stuff. Where the jerry cans used to be on the older motorcycle, that's where the new hard cases will be. Then there is saddlebags, soft saddlebags that is expected to be offered. There will also be a rear rack bag that will also be a soft bag that you can mount on the rear rack itself. Then the second category is touring. So for touring, Royal Enfield will offer front and rear touring seats. The touring seats are expected to be softer, offer more cushion, and be comfortable in the long run when you're going touring or when you're doing long rides. They are expected to be comfortable. It is yet to be seen if the touring front seat will also be height adjustable, just as the standard version, the OEM seat is. Then there is a longer visor. The longer visor will help you from keep you from wind buffeting at higher speeds. For the first time, Royal Enfield will be offering auxiliary lights, or you could call them fog lamps, that will be mounted on the front forks. Moving on, then there is knuckle guards. Just like before, there will be a metal bar inside them, and of course they'll feature a newer design as compared to the one seen on the older model. On the touring front, then there is a taller handlebar as well, which basically will not only help you while touring but also while off-roading, because you could easily stand up on the motorcycle. If you're someone tall, you won't have to bend down significantly. You can stand comfortably up. As for off-roading, there will be an engine guard with a bigger sump guard. So the sump guard is offered as a standard fitment on the Royal Enfield Himalayan, the new Himalayan. But the engine guard, as seen in the image, has an integrated sump guard that is bigger than the standard unit. So it will help you while you take your motorcycle off-roading. Then there will be a headlight guard which will save your LED headlight, which of course will be an expensive unit, and if you damage it, it'll be expensive for you to replace. Hence there will be a headlight guard for the first time. There is also a radiator guard, as we all know that it's a liquid cooled unit and it has a large radiator at the front, and hence to save it from damaging, there will be a radiator guard on offer. Well, Royal Enfield hasn't confirmed it yet. There is expected to be a rally kit on offer as well. So what the rally kit could include is a new slimmer tail section, which probably will be lighter than the tail section that you see on the standard Himalayan. It will help you save a few kgs. There will be a single piece rally seat which will be taller than the standard seat on the Himalayan. Then there will also be a new high flow exhaust. Well, the exhaust design looks pretty neat, I'd say, and of course it won't be free flow because that won't be road legal, but this would be a high flow exhaust and it is expected to sound better as well. But the best accessories that I'm waiting for, that probably all Himalayan potential buyers are waiting for are the tubeless tires. So Royal Enfield is yet to announce when the tubeless tires will be launched. They have confirmed that they will not be offered with the motorcycle at launch. So tubeless tires will be offered as an optional accessory later on, and the price could be around rupees 10,000. So I've already mentioned that the new Himalayan will be launching tomorrow, that is November 24th. And as for me, a decent pricing would be around rupees 2.8 lakh. That is the starting price for the entry level variant, which would go up to all the way up to rupees 3 lakh. And for that, you should be getting tubeless tires as well. So at this price point, it will directly rival the KTM 390 Adventure X. That is the entry level variant of the KTM 390 Adventure motorcycle. So that motorcycle does not offer spoke wheels. This offers spoke wheels, and with the top variant, you'll also probably get tubeless tires. So there's that. You'll have an upper hand in that. Then it does not offer TFT instrument cluster that the higher variants offer, the KTM, and of course the Himalayan is much more off-road friendly as well. So out of these, which is your favorite Royal Enfield Himalayan accessory? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.